camping. Everything seems to be good. Beautiful day. It's a little cloudy right now. It's cooling down a little bit. It's alright. Got a little warm earlier.
We have a bit of a breeze right now. We're moving a little, and Christine's freezing up there. See?
Christine, you cold?
You cold? A little bit. Yeah. We sailed pretty far today.
Not bad.
It's
Got
about
a breeze. Here we go.
It's about 2 or 3 right now. Sailing for a while, but it's nice. Trying to aim for the perfect spot.
Okay, watch out now. Pop this out. Watch out.
Okay.